To transfer cryptocurrency from Uniswap to Coinbase, start by opening the Uniswap app and selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from the dashboard. Once you've chosen the cryptocurrency, tap and hold on the option. Then select Send from the drop-down menu. Next, open the Coinbase app, click on the menu icon, and select Deposit. Search for the cryptocurrency you're transferring. Select it, and copy the wallet address. Return to the Uniswap app, paste the wallet address, and confirm. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer and review the transaction. If you receive a warning about insufficient funds, ensure you have enough gas fee cryptocurrency, such as BNB or Ethereum, in your Uniswap account to cover the transfer. Once you've resolved any issues, click Continue. Then, confirm and send to complete the transfer from Uniswap to Coinbase.